traffic. These niggas pussy selling souls, they calling me the captain. These niggas think they slick at shows, I swear to God we clapping. See, I got partners on parole, but I still know they actors. These niggas claim they tough as shit, I swear to God they actors. How you ain't never flipped a bow, but swear to God you trapping. See, we been selling shit that smell while y'all was still in practice. Them same niggas who said I'm dead, they partner in the cast. I had to cut some niggas off, them boys was moving backwards. Send my shooters to spray where you lay the niggas, they act. I really just started this shit, I'm already a factor. My Jones, she still clutch on her chrome on the phone with the pastor. We really been hitting that shit, knocking shit out the rafters. I'm really just talking my shit, I'm not one of these rappers. We really like that in real life, we shoot movies like actors. Them boys got they sticks in the air, we unload.
Hold on.
Hey.